Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Smar. It's my turn to read a book to you again, and I'm excited about it. The book that we're going to read today is Let It Rain. Have you ever heard April showers bring May flowers? Well, it's May, and the flowers are blooming. The author of this book is Marianne Coca Leffler. Let It Rain. Well, if I can turn the page. Let it rain. It's spring. Sure is. Kind of feels like a little like summer outside today, though. Singing birds, budding trees, frogs and tulips, honeybees. What do you hear? Did you hear anything that might be rhyming? I think I heard some rhyming words. We'll have to listen and see for sure. Digging, tilling, seeds to sow, planting carrots in a row. Ooh, that's going to be a nice big garden. Did you notice I like to read about things getting planted? But then heavy downpours, rivers flood, our flower garden turns to mud. Sometimes that'll happen. Let it rain. Rainbows, green grass, soccer fun, picnic, swinging in the sun. What two words did you hear that rhyme? Did you pick them out? Lambs and bunnies, puppy licks, newborn kittens and little chicks. Oh, all the babies born in the spring. Building, painting way up high, our little house in the sky. Ooh, somebody's daddy built him a tree house, I think. Oh, what fun. But then black flies, spiders, little ants crawl inside our farmer pants. Oh no. Let it rain. Riding, gliding, cupcake treat, twirling, dancing, bebop beat. Such nice days in the spring to be able to go out and do all that fun stuff. But soon, steamy classroom, blazing heat, wearing sandals on our feet. Ooh, I hope to see that again real soon. All the children in the classroom. Hooray, hooray, last day of school. Heading to the swimming pool. And that's one good thing about being home is you can go to the swimming pool early this year. You have all kinds of time to play outside in the lovely spring air. Summer is coming. Let it shine. So that's called Let It Rain. And I enjoyed reading that to you today. I hope you have a good day. Bye.